The Smoking Gun Pro is perfect for smoking things like soups and sauces or any other liquid that would be cumbersome to do in a traditional method. To demonstrate this, we're going to smoke some carrot puree in our blender. So I'm going to switch the fan on, ignite the chips, and fill the blender with a dense smoke. Now we're going to blend the carrot puree until the smoke has roughly dissipated. And that's how you use a blender to smoke any liquid. It works well for smoking water for cocktails, making smoked purees as a garnish for a dish, or making smoked soups.